Alright, we're going to start out with chapter 3.0. I'm going to go to new. This time we're going to be in metric, so I'm going to choose metric, standard millimeters, IPT, create. I'm going to go open up my origin, go to sketch. I'm going to choose this plane. I'm going to go to rectangle. I'm just going to pick any point out here. Click one time, type in 75, hit my tab button, type in 50, enter. Now I'm going to go dimension from my origin to this line. I'm going to type in 75 divided by 2, enter. And from the origin to this line, I'm going to type in 25, and that should center my rectangle up with the origin. I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to extrude. I'm going to go up 15 millimeters, enter. Next I will create another sketch, and I'm going to tilt it holding down my left mouse button. I'm going to choose the bottom of this rectangle. I'm going to go up and get a circle, come over and find the center of that line with the green dot, click it one time, come out to the end, click it again. I'm going to go back to my cube and turn it like that, finish sketch, go to extrude, come over and click that circle, come up and change direction, make sure it's on join, and type in 40, enter. Now I'll put another sketch on the top of this to cut that hole. So I'm going to choose circle, choose my center, come out, make that 30, enter. Click the home button. I'm going to turn that back around, holding down the left mouse button, and we'll finish sketch. Extrude. This time I want to be on cut. Come over and choose that circle, hit OK. Now I can come, now I have that hole cut out. I'm going to come over and use my hole command. It brings up this box. Make sure you have linear selected here. We want to enter 20 millimeters here for the size of that hole. And I'm going to come out here and just click anywhere onto that surface. Come back to the reference, choose that arrow, choose this size, that side, and it tells me that that's going to be 30. So I type in 30, enter. I'm going to back up a minute, guys. Let's do that again. I'm going to go to hole, make sure I'm on linear, make sure this is on 20, click out here. Go to my reference 1, click that, type in 20, but don't hit enter. That's where I made my mistake last time. Come over and choose this line, type in 25, enter. Now I have that hole in place. Say I wanted to make a change. I can come up here to this hole, right click, edit feature. If I want to change this 20 and make that 30, all I have to do is just type it in. Hit enter or OK. And we can move that circle back. Now I want to come up and put another sketch on this surface, and I'm going to use my rectangle command. I'm just going to choose any spot up here, left click, go to dimension, and the book says from this line to that line is 15, enter, and the size of that rectangle is going to be 20, enter. Now I'm going to turn this where I can see what's going on. Turn it like that. I'm going to finish sketch. Now I'm going to go to Extrude and make sure it's on cut. I'm going to select it and come here and say to next and hit OK. And now we have that opening completed. And that's what chapter 3.0 looks like. So take a look, make sure you're looking at your units, because you don't want to get through with this or halfway through it and realize you're in the wrong units. So this is the very first one where we see metric. So use this to go forward and do the next ones in the chapter 3.1, which I'll address next. Appreciate it, guys.